Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and I'm back. I am 2 weeks late on this, or probably 12 days, but I was on vacation. So I don't like to let people know before I go just for safety reasons, but I had a trip. If you're interested, let me know. I will tell you more about it. And in the meantime, this is my I Am Alchemy box from April 2019. I get the large box, which is the crystal cluster. And I will leave the details in the description bar because, well, I want to say it's around $45 a month. I don't want to tell you incorrect information. This is the crystal cluster. They have a smaller, adorable box called the Crystal Point. And I'll leave the link for both on the bottom, so check it out. I love the box, first of all. I love the inside. Oh my god! The unicorn! My camera's a little off. Forgive me. There we go. The unicorn. It smells wonderful. I can definitely smell Palo Santo. You guys know that I don't read this at first. Angel Aura Quartz. And I've got, this is all the information, so I'm going to look at it soon. I'll go through that here in a second. A unicorn purification spell. I don't know if you guys, I'm probably dating myself. My favorite movie featuring a unicorn is Legend with Tom Cruise and Tim Curry. Amazing movie if you haven't seen it. One of my favorites in my childhood. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I was lucky enough to see the Northern Lights in September, and they were magnificent. Action. Now is the perfect time to act. Take inspired action towards your dreams. Move forward with confidence. Yes. Beautiful. I wish I had smell-o-vision. Oh my god, this box smells so good. And now I'm going to buy Legends on Amazon Prime because I've been hankering to watch The Crow, and so now I'm going to buy both of those and have a retro movie. Oh, this is so beautiful. So one of the things that I love about this box is the beautiful packaging and the lovely attention to detail. So, this is really pretty. I don't actually drink tea, guys. I'm not going to lie. But the way that it's packaged so beautiful, it makes great additions to gifts. So I get lots of use out of it. I just don't drink it. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. Let's put some of the Dealy Bobs. Oops. This is cool. Was the first one to send me this kind of incense, which I think it's really cool looking, and I'm collecting. Sandalwood. I think I have sandalwood. I know Witch's Moon sent me rose. She sent me lemon balm or lemongrass, one of the two. So pretty cool. I think I also have a lot of rose of this one actually. But it's really intriguing. Different type of incense. Oh, wow. Look at this beauty. Wow. What a pretty iridescent stone. Lovely. Lovely. I'll put you guys all like next to each other. Okay, I've got a little suction cup here, so I've got to be really careful because last box was just this magnificent ocean box, and I got rough with opening something, and I totally broke a delicate little sand dollar, and I'm just so sad about it. So I'm going to be really careful here. This is, by the way, one of my newer boxes because like Sugar Muses and Witch's Moons I've had for over a year. This one I've been getting regularly since January, but it's quickly become one of my very favorite boxes. Ooh, Sweet Lavender Angel Aura Quartz Infused Perfume Oil, jojoba, lavender, lemon, vanilla, Angel Aura Quartz Gem Elixir, Angel Aura Quartz Chips. It's got a little dangler. It's beautiful. Everything in this box is beautiful. I don't normally like perfume because I don't wear it, but this is really nice, really subtle and delicious. Oh my goodness. Purity. Angel Aura Soap. Beautiful. Something that I like about this box is like it's very whimsical. Always really whimsical. Or enchanting, if you will. I love, oh wow. I love even the stamp on this thing here, on this backing. And these earrings are just, wow. Pretty. Lovely, lovely. I can see myself wearing them. I don't know if you can see it, but they're iridescent. They've got like a iridescent sheen. They're really lovely. I gotta make a little more space here. As you can hear out there, my son is just happy to be home. He's hooping and hollering. Alright, I got all of that out of there. Okay, let's see what this lovely thing is without destroying it, because it looks fragile. But I think I'm going to love it if it is what I think it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Wow. Wow. I love it. There's the unicorn. That's supposed to be what this is for. It's so pretty. I can hang it in my window. I was thinking probably a window. I'll probably hang it in the window in my front room. There's a guest in it right now. But that's also where my plants are. And I think that'd be really nice when I water my plants. So pretty. Wow, I love this. This is lovely. I want to put it somewhere where you can see it. And then let's review this thing. Spring blessings to you. I admit that I have had my eye on Angel Aura Quartz since winter began. At the time, I believed that it had to do with fresh fallen snow and the still beauty of the season that I have come to associate with winter, but each month I was guided to bring you other crystals until now. When I did the research for this crystal, it made clear why I was made to wait. I hope you enjoy your experience with Angel Aura Quartz as much as I have enjoyed working with her. Love, Natalie. And yes, I can totally see. This feels like a spring box to me. It feels really good. Clear quartz bonded with platinum and silver, sometimes gold or other trace metals, exhibits a light blue rainbow and silvery iridescence like the gossamer wings of angels. It carries a very loving and sweet energy, stimulating the spirit and elevating one's mood. Meditating with this crystal allows one to enter a state of serenity and peace, purification and rest, and to go beyond the body to perceive and receive help from one's angel guides. I'm getting distracted by my son. That's actually my son's version of a emergency vehicle siren, which is not accurate, but still adorable and jarring at the same time. So I'm not going to read this whole thing, but it's really interesting. I do go back and read them later, and I collect them. I actually have books where I have them all together by month. Okay, so handcrafted Angel Aura Quartz Rainbow Spiral Suncatcher. I normally include a standalone crystal inside each box, but I have to say The beauty of this crystal when held up to the light of the sun inspired me to create a sun catcher for you to enjoy the full beauty of this stone. And it is lovely. Oh my God, my kid. So yes, it's beautiful. Okay, it's handcrafted angel aura quartz earrings. I thought I would do something different this time with our jewelry this month, so I made the gorgeous and modern earrings of our out of hypoallergenic gold-plated brass and angel aura quartz with amethyst accent. When creating and blessing these earrings, my intention was to bring the healing vibrations as close to the third eye, amethyst, and crown chakra, angel aura quartz, as possible for maximum healing benefit. They are lovely. Lovely, lovely. Purity, angel aura quartz gem infused soap. Unicorn horn gem infused hand rolled candle. Beautiful. Well, let me let you guys look at it in case you want to read it. Prism gem infused tea of the month. Sweet lavender gem infused perfume oil, which is a really pretty bottle and sweet smell. Palo Santo with lavender. And sandalwood Nepali rope incense. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Oh, there's more. There's more. Unicorn purification spell. Affirmation card. Beautiful. Beautiful. And oracle card. Your divinely chosen oracle card is from the Oracle of Unicorns. Wow. I love it. Natalie, you hit the ball out of the park again. This is such an enchanting box. It is my first video since coming back home. It will not necessarily be published in that way because I'm going to have to try and balance chronological order and also catching up. So, but it was wonderful to come home to. So beautiful. I really wanted to include it in my magical favorite comparison because it would have really shined in comparison. Not that it's anything else is worse, but you get a really good view of the whimsy when you see the item comparison. Like, I wouldn't say I guess whimsical, enchanting, and just eclectic, which is how I practice. So that's probably why it resonates so deeply with me. So, and it's very visually contrasting, typically. So really interesting. I'll include it this upcoming month because I'm not going anywhere for a while. So everything will come back to normal. I love it. Man, to say a favorite item. Probably, I love the sun catcher. I'm definitely going to wear this. This is a really nice smell. This is just enchanting. I love Palo Santo. I love these and I collect these. I collect all the paper parts. I love this. So, and this is probably going to be a gift. And this might be a gift. I'm getting kind of backed up on things. And one of my siblings is really into unicorns. So it works out perfectly. So this has been I Am Alchemy. It's kind of a long video, sorry about that. For April 2019, the theme was unicorns, as you can see. The stone was angel aura quartz. So this box is obviously, the theme usually is centers around a crystal, and she creates items around that crystal and a theme, a magical creature usually. So like last month was the ocean, and I got selkies. You could have gotten different ocean or sea inspired animals, but that's the one that I got, and so on and so forth. So stay tuned for more videos. They're going to be coming at you in rapid fire. If you can get your hands on this box, I highly recommend it. It's a joy. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. I've missed you. I've missed my life. I love going on vacation, but the absolute best part of vacation is coming home. So here I am. I look forward to hearing your comments, your likes, I always look forward to your likes, your comments, If you haven't already, please subscribe. Join my little family here, our little family. And I will see you guys so soon. Thank you so much.